Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Zoe Corcoran, and I'm on the Global Business Marketing team here at Facebook. I'm excited to talk to you today about how to drive your business forward using your Facebook page. No matter if you're a plumbing company, a flower shop, a nonprofit, or a brand, your page should house the information people are looking for, help you communicate with them, and support your unique business goals. During today's discussion, we'll go over how to configure your page so people can quickly find information relevant to your business, like your list of offerings or products, how you can use your page to communicate with people from providing one-on-one customer service to reaching a larger audience with a page post. Lastly, we'll talk about where you can see your page's performance, like demographic data about your audience and how people are responding to your posts, so you can learn what's working on your page and what isn't. A few housekeeping items before we get started. A recording of this webinar will be sent out in a follow-up email, so don't worry about taking extensive notes. And if you have any questions during this webinar, please type them into the questions window on your screen. We'll try to get to as many questions as we can at the end of this webinar. And with that, let's kick it off. It should be no surprise to you that the world is mobile. People are spending more time on mobile devices than ever before. In order to find new customers and maintain relationships, businesses need to be where their customers are. And today that means being easily accessible as people spend more time on their phones. We know that you're busy, and there seems to be an unlimited number of ways to find people online. So you need to focus your time on building your mobile presence where people are spending their time. That place is Facebook. 1.7 billion people use Facebook on mobile every month, and 1.1 billion use it on mobile every day. Pages are free and easy to set up, and they work seamlessly across all devices, making Facebook the easiest place for you to build your mobile presence where your customers already spend their time and communicate with them anytime, anywhere. Now let's talk about the ways you can make the most of your presence on Facebook by configuring your page to help you drive business. The simplest way is with a template. Page templates offer pre-configured page layouts based on the type of business you are. These layouts make it easier for people to find relevant information quickly and encourage them to take action with your business. For example, if you're a spa, the services template would be your best choice because it's designed to help people quickly find your spa offerings and get in touch with you to book appointments. While if you were a sandwich shop, the restaurants and cafes template would be better for you because it highlights photos and important information about your menu, hours, and location. To apply a template to your page from your desktop computer, tap the settings in the upper right-hand corner and then edit page on the left-hand side. We will suggest templates we think work best for your business, but you can choose the one that's right for your goals. Once you've applied your page template, you can further update and configure your page. We suggest focusing on these 3 items. First, no matter what line of business you're in, you'll want to ensure the basic information about your business is correctly displayed on your page. Next, you can implement industry-specific sections on your page, like a list of services you provide, or a shop section so people can purchase your products. And last, you'll want to make it easy for people to interact with your business from their mobile phones by adding a call to action button to your page. Now let's dig into each of these a bit further. Correct page category and subcategory are important to ensuring people can find your business on Facebook, and you have access to the page features that make sense for the line of business you're in. For example, the category Local Business allows you to add an address and business hours to your page, while the category Website and Blogs doesn't. If you don't see a category that describes your page, choose the closest available option. Other basic information to complete or make sure are correct are things like your website, your contact information like phone number or email address, and if you have a physical location, your address and store hours. You can do all of this by visiting your page from your desktop computer and tapping Edit Page Info below your cover photo. Next, let's dig into how to prominently feature the information that is most relevant to your business and by extension your customers with specialized sections. First up is the shop section. You can sell products right from your page with the shop section. It allows people to browse products and view details like prices, photos, and descriptions. You choose how they purchase, either by sending you a message on Facebook, buying directly from your page, or you can direct folks to another website if that's easiest for you. As you can see, the whole experience is optimized for mobile, so you don't have to worry about creating a mobile-optimized online shop all on your own. In this example, you can see Modern Citizen, which is a clothing retailer, has their whole store on their Facebook page. You can view all the details, and then this person is going to be adding one of the dresses to their cart. And they can check out right on Facebook. If your business doesn't sell physical products, you can instead showcase a list of your offerings at the top of your page with a services section. Like the shop section, the services section allows you to add details like prices, photos, and descriptions. So, as you can see in this example, if you run a spa, you can add your services menu to your page and help people get to know your business faster and decide if they want to work with you. After people have perused your products or offerings, make it easy for them to take action with your business from their phone by adding a button to your page. You can encourage people to get in touch with your business, book services, make a purchase, download an app, or learn more about your business. In this example, Jasper's Market has added a Call Now button to their page, which allows people to call their business with just one tap from their phone. For more complex actions like taking orders or booking appointments, there are a few different options. You can connect your page to the services and tools you're already using to manage your business, like HomeAdvisor, Porch, or MyTime, making the experience seamless for customers. As you can see here, Graham's Cafe has connected their page with Delivery.com so people can order food seamlessly on the cafe's Facebook page. We have partnerships with a number of online ordering and appointment booking services and are adding more. If you're not working with one of our integrated partners, you can still drive orders, appointment bookings, and customer inquiries directly from your page through Messenger, or send folks to your website to book services there. Now let's shift gears to talk about ways in which you can effectively use Facebook to communicate with people. Messaging is a great way to provide personalized customer service to people and drive business. In fact, 53% of people say they are more likely to shop with a business they can contact via a chat app like Messenger. By default, when you create your page, you'll have messaging enabled so people can use Messenger to interact with your business. As we previously discussed, you can encourage people to contact you via Messenger right from your page to book appointments or provide quotes for your services. I'm not going to go in-depth here, but for tips on best practices on how to handle the messages you receive, please check out our Blueprint educational course titled Messenger, Connect and Communicate with Customers. The topic where I want to focus today is on how you can use your page to communicate with many people at once through page posts. Page posts not only allow you to keep people updated on what your business is doing, but they also enable you to drive outcomes like increasing sales with a discounted offer or hiring a new employee. No matter what you're trying to achieve with your post, we recommend using short copy and eye-catching images or videos to get your audience's attention. We know that you're busy, so to make the most of your time, you can write multiple posts at once and then schedule them to publish to your page at later times. You can also use your page insights to find out when people who like your page are on Facebook and schedule your post to publish then. We'll talk more about how to do this in a later section. Now, let's talk about a few ways to use your page posts to grow your business. When you want to boost sales in your stores or online, a discount or promotion is a great way to get people's attention and encourage them to purchase. You can create a customized discounted offer from your page for an online or in-store redemption. You can see the online offer on the left here and an example of an in-store offer on the right. Offers are free to create and are designed to make it easy for people to access and claim them from their phones, helping you drive sales. You can also reach potential employees by posting your job openings on your page. Complete a few details about the role, like the title and responsibilities, and you're all set. Job posts appear on your page and link to your page so people will have the chance to explore your page and learn more about your business before applying, ensuring you get informed applicants. After posting your job, you will be able to review applications and contact applicants anywhere, anytime through Messenger. You can also promote special events through your page by creating a Facebook event. You can use Facebook events for one-time events like your Italian cooking class, in this example by Jasper's Market, or reoccurring ones like the monthly open mic nights at your cafe. If you're selling tickets to your event, you can easily add the ticket link to your event so people can quickly buy tickets. We've talked a lot today about how you can configure your page to make it easy for people to take action with your business, from perusing your services to calling your business or making a purchase right on your page. And we just discussed ways you can communicate with your audience to drive business. Now let's talk about how you can tell what's working and what isn't. Page Insights is a great way to understand and measure what's happening on your page, as well as understand the people who've connected with your business on Facebook. You can get to your Page Insights by clicking the Insights tab at the top of your cover photo. Here you'll be taken to a wealth of information. I'm not going to go over everything, although I suggest you do, but I want to touch on a few key sections. One of the first things you'll see is the Overview tab. This section will show you how your page is doing in general. Things like how many page views you've had, new likes, how many people you've reached with your posts, and more. As we dive into other sections available in Page Insights, remember, these insights can help you make more informed decisions to help your business. For example, viewing which posts are grabbing people's interest can help you create more effective posts in the future. The first section I'd like to discuss is actions on the page. The Actions on Page section not only helps you to understand the number and types of actions people took on your page, from clicking to your website to calling you or tapping your call to action button. It also lets you dive deeper into the details like their age, gender, location, and device people who took action from your page used. You can also use these details to ensure your customers have the best experience. For example, you see here the majority of people who clicked on my call to action button, Shop Now, did so from their mobile devices. As an admin on this page, I'm going to make sure that my online shop is mobile friendly so my customers have the best experience. The next section in Page Insights I'd like to discuss is Posts. The Posts tab is divided into the three following sections, which you can see across the top of the page. When your fans are online, which shows you when people who like your page are on Facebook. The Post Type section, which displays the success of different post types like photo, video, etc., based on the average reach and engagement. And the last section is Top Posts from Pages You Watch, which gives you the engagement of posts from pages you're watching. Let's discuss the When Your Fans Are Online section. This section offers useful insights as to the best time to post on your page. You can see here that the majority of fans of Jasper's Market are online at 7 a.m. However, 7 a.m. is when Jasper's Market opens, and it's difficult for the owner to post then. My tip for her is one we talked about earlier today. She should draft her post the night before or when she has free time and schedule the post to publish at 7 a.m. That way she can engage her audience on Facebook and open her store on time. You can also do a deep dive into the specific metrics of a particular post in this section. Metrics for your page posts are available as soon as the post is published, and you can see the following information about your page posts: the number of people it reached, the reactions, comments, and shares, the post clicks, and if it is a video, the total video views and viewing behavior details. The last section I want to discuss today is People. This will tell you who's engaging with your business page on Facebook. You can see the age, gender, and locations of the people who are interacting with your page. This is great information to help you understand who your audience is and what type of content you should be creating. In this example, you can see the majority of fans of Jasper's Market are men aged 18 to 24. Using this insight, Jasper's Market could tailor their posts to promote their quick pre-made dinners, which might appeal more to men aged 18 to 24 rather than their previous posts about grocery shopping for family dinners. To keep up with your page on the go, use the Pages Manager app, available for free from the App Store and Google Play. The Pages Manager app not only allows you to access your page insights from your phone, it also allows you to create posts as well as schedule them to publish later. And with that, we've reached the end of our webinar today. Now, everything that we've talked about today is free to use, but the best way to extend your reach and really quickly grow your business is by advertising on Facebook. If you'd like to learn more about ways to get started advertising, please visit facebook.com/business. Now we're going to go through a summary and a to-do list of all the things that we've talked about today in our webinar. In our first section, we talked about how to configure your page for business. Your to-dos on this are applying a template to your page, then completing your basic information or checking that it's up to date, and lastly, selecting a call to action button that really drives your business, whether that's a call now button, a message on Messenger button, or order now or shop now. In the second section, we talked about how to effectively communicate with your audience using your page. You should be providing personal service with Messenger, so that's meaning answering any messages that your page receives quickly. Next, we talked about how to use posts effectively. I suggested using eye-catching imagery and short copy in all of your posts. And then using your posts to strategically grow your business, whether that's with an offer or posting a job listing on your page. Then finally, we talked about how you can learn what's working on your page. I encourage you to visit the Page Insights section of your page and tailor your content to your audience, so making sure that your posts resonate well. And then also downloading the Pages Manager app from the App Store or Google Play so that you can manage your page on the go. Thank you again for joining me today, and you'll be receiving this webinar shortly. Now let's jump into our questions. Okay, the first question is coming from Fred. Fred asks, I've been getting some negative and inappropriate comments on my posts. Is there a way for me to block that from happening? First of all, I'm really sorry that's happening to you, Fred. Sounds super frustrating. But to report a comment that doesn't meet our terms of service or is spammy, go to the comment you want to report, click the X, which is in the upper right-hand corner of the comment, and it'll say hide this, and then you can click report. Then follow those kind of on-screen instructions, ask you a couple of questions about the comment and why you want to block it. If someone is continually publishing spam on your page, we recommend banning them. You can choose to unban people at any time, but when you ban somebody from your page, they'll still be able to share content from your page to other places on Facebook, but they'll no longer be able to publish to your page, like or comment on your page posts, or message your page, or like your page. If you need to ban someone, you can go to the comment by the person or page you want to ban and click the X in hide comment, and then you can select ban from that. All right, the next question I've seen pop up from a few different people during our webinar is asking about how to get their page verified. So this is a great question. And first, let me define what a verified page is for anybody who doesn't know. These are pages and profiles that have been verified by Facebook to let people know that they're authentic. If you see a blue badge, kind of a blue check mark on a page or profile, that means that Facebook has confirmed that this is an authentic page or profile for a public figure, a media company, or a brand. Not all public figures, celebrities, or brands on Facebook have blue badges, but that's one way we let people know that they're authentic. If you see a gray badge, which is a gray check mark on a page, it means that Facebook has confirmed this is an authentic page for a business or organization. If your page's category is local business, company, or organization, your page may be eligible for one of those gray verification badges. And if you're an admin, if you're an admin, your page has a profile picture and a cover picture and is eligible, you'll see the option in your page's settings to request verification. To verify your page, you can use your page's publicly listed phone number or like a phone bill or a business document. And after we receive either a verification code once you've gone through an online verification with your publicly listed phone number, or if you'd prefer to send that business document, we'll review the info and then confirm that it matches public records and send you either a notification or email about your verification status within a few days. And please keep in mind that you're definitely not required to verify your page, but it lets people know that you are definitely an authentic page. Okay, another popular question is, how often should I post? My answer is, it depends, which I know is not the definitive answer that most of you want. So the best thing I can tell you to do is post meaningful updates to your page at times when you know your audience is on Facebook. Like we discussed in the webinar, you can use your page insights to not only see when your fans are online, but also see the demographics of your fans so that you can really tailor your post to their interests and make sure that it's resonating with them. And again, as we talked about, page posts can be great for driving business, but if you really want to reach your business objectives, I'd highly suggest you consider advertising and putting money behind it, and considering what business objectives you specifically want to go after, whether that's clicks to your website or driving people in store or generating leads. All right. Another question that's coming in from Mary. How do I change the username for my page? So let me quickly explain what a username is and why you would maybe want one, and then I'll explain how to change it. Usernames create a custom website link to your business's Facebook page. So for example, the page's Jasper's Market could use the username @JaspersMarket and create a custom link that would be facebook.com/JaspersMarket. So this way you can share your page quickly and easily with people and have something memorable as opposed to a string of numbers. If you don't have a username, you can create one easily. You just need to be an admin of your page. And then you can click Create Page Username on the left-hand side of your page. If you need to change your page's username for whatever reason, you must be an admin. And when you're on your page, you're going to click About on the left-hand side of your page, then click Page Info, and click Edit next to the username section. And then you'll enter your new username, and they'll give you guidelines and let you know whether or not your username is available. Okay, another question coming in from Drew. What's the difference between a shop section and a Shop Now button on my page? So the answer is that the shop section on your page is an actual area where you can list products and details and pricing for all your different items, so creating an actual online shop on your Facebook page. The Shop Now button on your page is encouraging people to obviously take action, shop now, but it allows you to either choose whether you want to direct people to the shop section if you have one on your page, or off to your website where you have your e-commerce store. So you can direct them off of Facebook with that Shop Now button. So you can still use the Shop Now button even without a shop section. Hope that's helpful. Great. And with that, it looks like we are out of time. I want to thank you all so much for your time today. And please fill out the post-webinar survey and let me know if you found this helpful or other topics that you'd be interested in hearing about. Thanks again, and have a great day.